This is the Era from the package that Nigby sent me. I had never had an Era before. I was looking for one of these for a while. I actually kind of like this lock. So let's see. I'm gonna start off with a standard and 25,000. Got a click out of 1. Good click out of 2. Nothing on 3, 4. Something out of 5. Two, 3, 5. The 25,000 is just a little too thick to get number 6 up there far enough, but the 20,000, that was number 6, and then I had to lift number 5 up. But the 20,000 isn't strong enough to get under number 5 or 6, so I have to start with the standard and 25, get the pins up a little bit, and then get the 20 under there and push them the rest of the way up. But that's the Era from the package Nigby sent me.